In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 a day on Warriorplus as a complete beginner. And I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely free. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to warriorplus.com if you don't have an account already. And all you need to do is to click on the sign up for free button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you need to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And all you need to do from here is to come over to the affiliate section and you want to click on offers. So once you do that, this is where you can come over to the title section and you can search for product in any niche of your choice. So all you need to do from here is to just type in the keyword for whatever niche you are working with. So I'm going to take Fiverr as an example. So if I type in Fiverr right here and you want to click on search. So once you do this, this is going to show you all the products that are related to Fiverr that you can promote on Warriorplus and make money. So the first thing you want to do before you pick any product is to check the refund rate of that product. All right, so one of the products I liked very much is this one right here, Fiverr Profits Academy. As you can see, this product has 0% refund rate and it has made over 100 sales already. So that is a good indicator that this product is suitable and you can make money promoting this product. So all you need to do from here is to click on the product. So once you click on the product, you are going to get more information about this product, like how much you're going to earn when you promote this product. As you can see, you can make between $13 to $32 promoting this product. All you need to do from here is to then click on the view sales page to see what this product looks like. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to the sales page of this product, which people will be coming to. As you can see right here, people get to learn how to make 1,000 worth of orders from just one customer on Fiverr. And once people come over to this page and they click on the enroll now button, they will be brought to this page where if they purchase this product for just $27, you're going to get paid $13 in commission. So that is about 50% of the sales of this product. All right, so the next thing you want to do from here is to request for approval to start promoting this product right away. And all you need to do is to click on this request approval. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where all you need to do from here is to then click on request offer. However, I highly recommend that you type in a very short note, as that is going to increase the chances that you are going to get approved for this offer. So you can type in a very short note like this. Hello, I have a very suitable traffic for this product. Can you kindly approve me so that I can start driving traffic right away? So something like this is going to increase your chances of getting approved. So that is all you need to do, and you want to click on request offer. So once you do that, all you need to do is to wait for a few hours and you're going to have your affiliate link. So the next step is giving value to people, and to do that, you are going to need an ebook. So this is an example of an ebook I found, and I'm going to give you the link to download this ebook, and you can use this ebook right here to promote this product. So you might be wondering, what if you are not doing the Fiverr niche? How do you promote other products using this method? You can simply just go over to free PLR downloads and you're going to get a lot of free PLR ebooks that you can use for free with this method. You can also come over to idplr.com as well. As you can see, if I type in Fiverr, you're going to see a lot of products that you can download and give away for free. So if you don't find any on this platform, don't be deterred. You can come over to Google and type in how to make money on Fiverr PDF. All right, so once you type that, you're going to see a lot of free PDF, as you can see right here, that you can download and you can use them to make money with this method. All right, so now the next step is to go over to Facebook. So all you need to do is to come over to Facebook and you want to type in Fiverr group. So once you type that, you want to make sure to filter to groups. And as you can see right here, you're going to see groups with a lot of members. You can see this one with over 37,000 members. And this group is dedicated for people who are interested in making money on Fiverr. So I'm going to take this Fiverr group as an example to show you how I do this process in other niches. So you want to click on the group. So the first thing you want to do once you come over to any group, you want to make sure the group is highly active and you want to make sure that there are real people in this group as well. You are not going to be making any posts and you are not going to be spamming on this Facebook group. I'm going to show you a very clever strategy that you can use, that I have been using as well, to make money with Facebook. So all you need to do is to come over to any of the posts and you want to make a very simple comment. Go back to your PDF and you want to take a few screenshots from that PDF. All right, so once you take that screenshot, you want to come over here and you want to type in something like this. I have been getting a lot of orders on Fiverr using this Fiverr secret ebook. DM me and I will give it to you for absolutely free. I just want to give back to the group. So once you type in a very simple comment like this, all the people in this group are already interested in making money on Fiverr. Then you want to click on this photo section, and here you want to attach a screenshot from the ebook. All right, so as you can see, this is the screenshots right here. As you can see, real results from a real freelancer. And you can see the earning proof right here, over $7,000. This is how I get a lot of people from groups to send me a DM. And once people start sending you DM, all you need to do is to give them a link to download this ebook, and you want to also send them a link to this Fiverr product. Okay, so now if you go back to Facebook, and this is all you need to do in all of these Facebook comment, but I recommend you do this 5 to 10 times a day in each of the Facebook group. As you can see right here, people in this group are looking to make money already. And once you make a very simple post like this, a lot of people will be interested to make such amount of money as well. So this is a very simple method any beginner can get started with and start making money on Warriorplus with free traffic from Facebook.